Hey there, adventurers! Stick around because later in this video I'm going to reveal an absolutely breathtaking getaway destination that's unlike anything you've seen before. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Alright folks, let's dive into the world of weekend getaways. We all know that life can get a bit hectic, right? Between work, responsibilities, and everything in between, sometimes you just need a break. Well, that's where weekend trips come in. They're the perfect way to recharge your batteries without having to commit to a long vacation. In this video, we're going to cover 5 incredible destinations that are ideal for a short adventure. Whether you're looking for relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, I've got you covered. So, let's get started and find your next weekend escape. Kicking off our list is the stunning coastal town of Charleston, South Carolina. This place is a dream for anyone who loves a mix of history and beautiful beaches. You can stroll down the charming streets lined with colorful antebellum homes or take a romantic walk along the waterfront. But that's not all. You've got to check out the local food scene here. Indulge in some mouth-watering shrimp and grits or fresh oysters at one of the many seafood restaurants. Plus, if you're into history, the Fort Sumter National Monument is a must-visit. It's the site where the first shots of the Civil War were fired. So, pack your bags and get ready for a weekend full of charm, history, and delicious food. Next up is Portland, Oregon. If you're a fan of craft beer and unique eateries, this is the place for you. Portland is known for its vibrant food scene with food trucks offering everything from gourmet tacos to artisanal donuts. How can you resist? Plus, don't forget to visit Powell's City of Books. It's the largest independent bookstore in the world. For outdoor enthusiasts, the nearby Columbia River Gorge offers breathtaking hikes with stunning waterfalls. Make sure to pack your camera for this one. The views are Instagram-worthy. Whether you're exploring the city or hitting the trails, Portland is a fantastic weekend destination. For our third destination, let's venture to Sedona, Arizona. If you're looking for stunning red rock formations and a bit of spiritual rejuvenation, this is the spot. Sedona is famous for its vortex sites, which are believed to be centers of energy that promote healing and meditation. Take a hike on one of the many trails that offer jaw-dropping views, or spend your time exploring art galleries and local shops in the charming downtown area. And if you're feeling adventurous, don't miss out on a Jeep tour through the rugged terrain. Whether you're into outdoor activities or just want to relax, Sedona offers a unique experience that you won't forget. Now let's talk about Nashville, Tennessee. This city isn't just the heart of country music, it's also packed with budget-friendly fun. You can explore the iconic Music Row without spending a dime. Check out the famous honky tonks on Broadway, where you can listen to live music all night long. And don't forget to visit the Country Music Hall of Fame for a bit of history. For families, the Adventure Science Center offers hands-on exhibits that are perfect for kids. Plus, foodies will love the local barbecue joints. Trust me, you haven't lived until you've tasted some authentic Nashville hot chicken. Nashville is a vibrant city that's perfect for a weekend trip, and you can do it all without breaking the bank. Last, but definitely not least, is the beautiful city of Asheville, North Carolina. Nestled in the Blue Ridge Mountains, this destination is known for its stunning scenery and vibrant art scene. You can hike one of the many trails in the Pisgah National Forest and soak in the views of the fall foliage or explore the famous Biltmore Estate. But what really makes Asheville stand out is its local breweries and farm-to-table restaurants. Make sure to sample some local craft beer and enjoy a meal made with fresh, locally sourced ingredients. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a culture lover, Asheville has something for everyone, making it the perfect weekend escape. So there you have it. 5 incredible destinations that are perfect for your next weekend getaway. From the historic charm of Charleston to the artistic vibe of Asheville, each spot offers a unique experience that allows you to unwind and explore. Remember, weekend trips are all about enjoying new places without the stress of long travel. So grab your bags, pick a destination, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Now I want to hear from you. What are your favorite getaway spots? Drop your recommendations in the comments below. Oh, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other travel videos for more inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.